All right, so we talked about this question, fellas, that every half an hour the group number is different, slightly different, and even though they have information about the colours of the mats, that's not needed for you to answer this question. They're not asking you about the colour. So let's highlight the interesting and important information first. Okay, so I would highlight, if it were me, every half hour, okay? That's so that you know each time bracket is 30 minutes or half an hour. 24 in the first group. 20 in the second. 22, 18, 20 in the fifth group. So we've got 5 different groups of different sizes. And then the information says, if this pattern continues at the end of 4 hours, how many fifth graders will have gone down the slide? So how many is what they're asking you. Okay? Everyone with me still? Could we please stop singing in class at the moment? Good question. So, thanks guys. So Baxter's asking, does it mean the pattern of 24, 20, 22, 18, 20, does that pattern continue, or does it mean the pattern of -4 plus 2? Let's write that down firstly before we make a decision. -4 plus 2. Now, if it were me looking at this question, if it meant the numbers, they would have said, if these group numbers continue. But it says pattern. So I would assume it means -4 plus 2 continues, which means the group numbers would be slightly different. Okay, so here in your working, it already has the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, areas, parts of the 4 hours. So I would continue the rest down in my working. So this is what I'm talking about here. What's going to be the next half hour bracket? We've got up to 2.5 hours. The next one back is going to be, know the hours firstly. 3, and then 3.5, and then 4. Cool. So we just need to continue the pattern on for 3 more groups. All right. So we've got -4 plus 2. So what's going to be our next number? We did plus 2 is here. So this one's going to be -4. Yep, so this is 16 at the 3 hour mark. Everyone with me so far? Yep, this is a bit of a tricky question. Okay, and then at the 3.5 hour mark, we're going to have 18. Great. Then the next one along is
14.
-4, so that makes it 14. Cool. Now, if it's not super clear on your page, just circle the numbers. Okay. Have we answered the question yet? No, we have not. What do we need to do to answer the question from here on in? Tom Purley. Right, don't forget the ones they've already done for you. So you're going to do 24, 20, I should say, 22, 18, 20, 16, 18, 14. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to add those up and we're going to see how we go. Okay, everyone say the answer out loud. Alright, cool. So, boys, thank you. In order to properly answer the question, I need you to write it in a sentence. 152 students or 5th graders have gone down descended the slide after 4 hours. Fabulous. Well done.